Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials: a working USB-C cable and an unlocked Moto Edge 50. Plug the cable into the phone first, then the computer, so the device initializes correctly. Once done, look at the phone's notification shade for a USB mode prompt. This controls data vs charge behavior. You want the data channel open, so you'll change it to file transfer. Doing this early prevents the OS from treating the connection as power only and speeds up the next steps. Now you make the connection usable. Tap the USB notification and choose File Transfer or Transferring Files so the phone exposes storage. If the computer doesn't see it, enable Developer Options and turn on USB debugging. This allows advanced tools like ADB. On Windows, install Motorola drivers so the device enumerates correctly. On Mac OS, use Android File Transfer. Make sure drivers finish installing before attempting transfers, because an incomplete driver prevents the phone. With drivers and mode set, open File Explorer or Android File Transfer and navigate to your phone to copy or move items. Transfer in batches rather than huge single copies to reduce errors. Once done, use the system's eject or unmount command before unplugging. If something goes wrong, first swap the cable or USB port, then toggle the USB mode and reboot both devices. If persistent, reinstall drivers or inspect developer options. These steps fix the majority of connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.